Hi guys, welcome to the Primesop Technical channel. In the Java 1.8 new features, today we are going to see how to check the date and time by using this new API. So already we are aware of in the older version of the Java, if you use the date, that was little complicated and it was very difficult to find out the like if you want your own time and date, then it was very difficult. But in this new feature, it is very easy. So how to see all this date and time with the help of new features that we are going to start today. So let's start with a very simple example. So I will take a class. I will give my class name as date and time. We'll take a main method inside that. So I will write public static void main string here cheers. And first of all, if you want to use the date function here, so in the older version you was having the date class, but in our program we will use the local date. So what is the use of local date? It will give me the date of my system. So local date, I will write ld is equals to local date dot now. What is the meaning of now? What is the date of my system now? Then because we are using this class is not available directly. We have to import java dot time dot local date. So this is the new package which you have to take to your class. Now you wanted to print these details, so we'll print it system dot out dot println, and we'll just print this date on the screen. So first we'll save the program, and I'm saving into Java 1.8. Already my folder is created. So in that folder I'm saving this file, and my file name is date and time. I will give dot Java. Now open the command prompt. So on the command prompt, our D drive, inside the D drive, my folder name is Java 1.8. So that's why I gone to the Java 1.8. Now you want to compile the program, the same normal feature, Java C space your date time dot Java. Whatever your class name is there, that you can give it here. No error. So Java space date time. Now whatever the date here 7/8/20, that same date we are able to see here. Now sir, I wanted to see the time also. To see the time, we'll use local time is a class name. I will write lt is equals to local time dot now. Now means whatever the current time is there, that time you can print it. Now you can print the same thing on the screen. I will print system dot out dot println, and in the bracket we'll print lt. So see, so what we are able to see here, local date and local time, both will get it on the screen. So save it and just try it. Again we have to compile it. So again, what error we are getting? Because we did not import that class. So because it is not there in the directly class, so we have to import it. So time dot local time. So compulsory you have to import this class. Now you observe your error will be solved here. So I will just clear the screen. Once again I will compile it and run it again. Date and time. So see, here you are getting date plus also your system type. You can observe here 154 is time in my system. This is 154. This is hours, minute, second and nanosecond you are getting. So like this we can print this details here on the screen. So in this one we have only seen about what date and time, but apart from that you wanted to know more about this one, like more in the sense of, sir, I wanted to print the day of the month, I wanted to print day like what is the month, what is the day, what is the year, I wanted to print everything. So nothing but in my system here I want to print date, year separately, month separately and day separately. Can I do it? Yes, it is absolutely, it is possible, and for this all the predefined methods are available. So what you can do is here simply you can just take a variables called integer. So I will just remove the bottom part. I hope you understood this, or I will make it, I will hide this code by using the comments. I will hide it. Okay, now we'll go with here. Suppose I want a day, so I will take day. So how to take your day? my variable name is ld dot get. So what is the thing which you want that you have to observe very clearly? So first I wanted to print day, so I will write get day of month. So this is the method which is available, which will give the day of the month. Then suppose you wanted to print this day, so what I will do is here I will remove the complete date. From first I will just print the here day, whether it is things are working or not, that will work first, that we'll see first. So compile, execute and run. So see 7 nothing but day is printed successfully. Now similarly we wanted to print integer, I wanted to print month, so I will write is equals to ld dot get month value, get month value, nothing but what is the month is there, that month I wanted to print. After that directly I will take year yy is equals to dt dot get ld dot get year. So get year is a method which will take the year. Now you can print this format however you want. Previously it was not how you were expecting. Now if you wanted to see, you can just see here. This format was coming 28:7, but I want in my way. Suppose I wanted to print let us say I wanted to print first month, so I will write dd. Then I want slash, so I will write slash. Then I wanted to print month, so I will write Again I want slash in between, so I will write. After that I want year, so I will write yy. So just save and just try to see here. Just compile and run the program. We are able to see this is nothing but how you want that format. Sir, I don't want like that. I wanted to print in some other way. So how can you print? Anyway, sir, it is your wish. It is your program. You can write however you want. But instead of this, I will use printf. You know already in the C we can use like this: %d dash %d dash %d. First %d is nothing but dd. Second %d is nothing but and third %d is nothing but yy. So you will get the same output, but this time instead of hyphen you will get instead of a slash you will get it hyphen there. Just observe. Now you will able to see. I will just take it little off, so it will be little easy for you. You can see it. So these are the different ways. Now however you want, it is your wish. Sir, I don't want to print. I wanted to print in some other way. Sir, what is the some other way? So let us say I wanted to print. This is or we can say I wanted to print year is equals to year. So year is what here? Ye. Then yy, not variable name you have to type. So this is the year. So next, suppose example I don't want this one. I wanted to print here year month. So I will write what? I wanted to print day, so I will write day, and here I will write dd. So what will happen? Your month, year and day, all the three things will be printed. Okay, so see, year is 2020, month is 8, day is 7. Why it is coming? Because we are use F, that's why it is coming. So like this, different ways we can print the date. So this was just a basic introduction. In the next video I will show you more about this one. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching this video.